Today we are celebrating Pokemon with a Fuecoco cake because short arms and stubby legs are why this guy's my favorite character. Even his final evolution is my favorite. I really want to see a battle between Feraligatr and Skeledir. I'm gonna butcher that name till the end of time. Well, whatever. It would be an awesome matchup to see a water alligator versus a fire crocodile. Or is he a crocodile or an alligator? Or is he a dragon and I'm just completely wrong? Whatever. It would be an epic matchup. Now, I have to admit, I have not played the latest Pokemon game because I'm scared that it's going to ruin my life the way that Animal Crossing did. So instead, I'm just going to turn my favorite 9th generation Pokemon into cake. And I want to turn some of yours as well. So let me know in the comments what Pokemon you'd like to see me make next, and follow for more.